Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to convert S Pen handwriting to text on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's do it. So to do that, just remove the S Pen from your phone. And here we have the settings icon, press on this. And to convert handwriting to text, just enable S Pen to text. It is very easy. And now let's exit. And now let's test this function. So on Google, I will write here speed test. And as you can see, it's working. And now press search. And here you can test the internet speed of your phone. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.